Moving on will be Chainlink against BTC. So for Chainlink against BTC, look at this. Look at how bullish it is. But okay, one thing to be very careful is that Chainlink has already completed 2 mountains, right? Mountain 1, mountain 2. Oh, this could be a mountain number 3, right? So if we come back down to punch the support, poof. Okay, that's not the sound of a punch, dish, right? Dish, 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 right? So there was a punch here, dish, another punch here, dish, dish, dish. Then if we go and form another mountain, dish, pump, we will punch through, piang, and then after that we go through the support, right? And then Chainlink could be in trouble actually. But if you continue to hit the resistance, but we've only hit the resistance twice though. Dish, dish. If we have another dish, right, and another dish, dish, piang, and after that we slice through the resistance line, right? This would be great though for Chainlink against BTC. But yeah, to be honest, I'm seeing bullishness. I don't know if this bullishness is going to result in the trend switching bullish, right? If the trend switches bullish, this will be amazing, to be honest. This will be awesome. We might get like a value 1 here, value 2, value 3, you know, something like that. An ascending triangle, and then we hit much higher for Chainlink against BTC. This will be the best case scenario, but yeah, we have to take things one step at a time. I'm not too sure what the Chainlink whales are trying to do. I just don't see the tradability of Chainlink against BTC yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not yet. Link against USDT. So for Chainlink against USDT, yeah, this is not good. Why is this is not good? Because this is, like I was saying, mountain 1, mountain 2, same thing. On Chainlink USDT and Chainlink BTC, we could see 2 freaking mountains. 2 mountains, right? So yeah, if we come back down and punch the support line, dish, 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 then yeah, we could be breaking through the support, right? So yeah, it depends. It all depends upon the wheels of Chainlink. But to be honest, I think more likely than not, the direction is down at this point of time. Why would I say that? Let me break it down for you. From the very lows over here, right, where the support was, and we rose to the highs here. How many days did we take? Look over here, 133 days, right? From the very top here to the very bottom where we touched the support again, how many days did it take? 71 days. 133 days to rise, 71 days to fall. It takes half the time to fall. So the momentum is actually towards the downside. And every time we push up, we get pulled down. Next, the second mountain, all the way up. How many days did it take? How many days did it take? 113 days. More than 3 months, almost 4 months. And when it fell, how many days did it take? 25 days. Less than a month. Less than 1 freaking month. Less than 1 freaking month. 3 months to rise, 1 month to fall. The speed is towards the downside, right? So if you look over here, if this is the top, right? Let's just assume this is the top. If this is the top, 33 days to rise. If we were to fall, and if we were to base, you know, the next move based on history, 33 days. Let's say 33 days will be 4 weeks. Half the time will be 2 weeks, right? It might take us only 14 days to collapse back under here. So if you see, okay, not 50 days, 14 days, right? Within 14 days, if we fall back down within 14 days, this is it. This is it, this is it, and more likely than not, the direction will be down for Chainlink against USDT. It might take 3 weeks, it might even take the same 4 weeks, but it's not looking good, to be honest. Chainlink is just not looking good. Another thing is that Chainlink is right under, okay, not exactly under, but you know, we have been hanging around the skinny pink line, right? When we sliced through the skinny pink line way back in June 2021, we attempted to break higher, but we keep getting pulled down. Pull back under the skinny pink line. Now we're hitting the skinny pink line. Will the skinny pink line as a resistance break eventually, or will the resistance of the skinny pink line hold and we see Chainlink hit back under, you know, hit back towards the support, right, and punch the support, dish, right? We already have, I'm gonna assume this is a punch, dish, 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 right? We form another mini mountain, dish. I don't know what's that. Anyway, for Chainlink against USDT, at this point of time, I still don't think it's a go yet. It doesn't really look that good. Things aren't really that bullish yet. Can we switch bullish from here? Answer is yes, of course. We need to see the bullish momentum come in first. Push Chainlink's price close to the all-time highs. Break above the skinny pink line. Have a deep retrace right on top of the skinny pink line. Not touch it. And then form another valley of sorts. You know, a series of valleys. And yeah, break higher, right? We need to start creating a resistance line. Horizontal resistance line. And start punching it, right? Dish, 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 dish. Okay. That's Street Fighter actually. Right, so maybe something like that might happen. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see first. But at this point of time, it is dangerous to be going long for Chainlink. So be very, very careful.